Right, we'll just finish question 10 with the table settings. The next few images, we're going to just replace text with images. Now it sounds easy enough, but for this particular paper I think the images are a little bit strange, not so obvious. So the first one, we need to replace image of house with an image of the house. I can actually just delete that tag. You see what, I just deleted the text. If I go into the code, I can see that the tag is still there. Now that may or may not affect things, but I don't want anything in that cell for the moment. Okay, so I'm just going to delete that tag altogether. Now, because I've set up my table list, I can get a brief thumbnail. Now, it might be a good idea at this stage to go into your actual folder and get a better idea, or a better look at these images. So the house, I'm guessing it's this one. Actually, I've seen the mark scheme already, so I think I can remember. I'm just going to drag and drop these in now. Image of garage. I'm just going to delete these tags actually. Garage, I suppose, could be that one. Farm, that one's pretty obvious. Actually the garage has gas on there. That picture is huge, so I imagine we're going to have to do something about that. Now, perhaps there's two farm images and I've missed one out. I'm going to get rid of this until I figure that out. A vegetable shop, that one looks good to go. Alright. So we're going to do something with hyperlinks, okay, to that farm image, but I can see down here, if you ever get confused, it's usually a good idea to read a few questions ahead. You'll often find that will clear up any questions you have, because questions are sometimes a little bit strange in terms of the order. So all of these images, I can tell by reading question 16, need to be 180 pixels wide and maintain the aspect ratio. So that means that we're just changing their appearance in our software. Okay, the actual files in the folder will remain the same. Okay, there are two types of questions for changing images. Sometimes we need to open these in Picture Manager or another program that you're comfortable with and actually change the properties, okay? But for this question we're just going to change the size itself. So right click is the easiest way to do this. Picture properties, appearance, and then we've got our size details down here. Okay, 180 pixels wide and maintain their ratio. So keep this box checked. So we're just going to change this to 180 for all of these. And then the farm one, where is it? Okay. click this. So I've changed that from 800 to 180 just to show you the picture itself hasn't changed. Here's all our details down here. It's still 800 by 600 pixels. Okay, I'm going to save my work at this stage and then put in the hyperlinks.